I am Kattiyatti Radhakrishnan, former director of Panikkar College. Having been 39 years of history in the field of English. Besides, I have taken classes in many of the prestigious institutes, that is Government Pre-Examination Training Center, then Brilliance College, Tandem, besides many other colleges. I've been very happy to teach children, and I think a teacher is a burning lamp, and only a burning lamp can light another lamp. And that is the words of the coveted Nobel Prize winner Rabindranath Tagore, you know. Anyway, I am going to spot the errors in English. That means correct the sentences in English. It will be beneficial for PSC, bank, SSC, UPSC, etc. Though I am pinpointing spot the errors, the PSC students can easily score at least 12 marks from my first phase. I very well understand, because I have pinpointed many of the errors from adjectives, prepositions, articles that are being included. This is a short class, and the long-term class will be taken in the coming days. Okay, thank you. Wish you good luck. I welcome my students for my first class. Not only my students, but also my well-wishers, friends, and others. And I plead you to hear what I am going to tell, and you must listen to it with proper, utmost carefulness, and you can cross the hurdles in English. I can very well say and assure you 100% you are safe in my hands. Okay, thank you, my children. Common errors in English that is being committed by the people. The first one is, I have received your letter yesterday. That sentence is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? The answer is, I received your letter. The proper answer is, I received your letter yesterday. That is the correct version. I shall give these notes. If there is adverb of past time in a sentence, like yesterday, last week, last day, ago, before, that sentence must be in the simple past. That means subject plus V2 plus, V2 means second form of the verb. V2 means second form of the verb plus object. For example, I received your letter yesterday. കഴിഞ്ഞു പോയ കാര്യത്തെ സൂചിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ആഡ്വർബ്, അതായത് ലാസ്റ്റ് വീക്ക്, ലാസ്റ്റ് ഡേ, യെസ്റ്റർഡേ, എഗോ, ബിഫോർ എന്നിവ സെൻറ്റൻസിലുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ സെൻറ്റൻസ് സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഷി വാസ് ഇൽ സിൻസ് ദ മോർണിംഗ്. ഷി വാസ് ഇൽ സിൻസ് ദ മോർണിംഗ്. If there is since or for, that sentence must be present perfect continuous. That sentence must be present perfect continuous. That means subject plus have been or has been plus ing verb. For example, when we correct it, the answer is she resembles with her father. That is an incorrect sentence. The correct usage is she resembles her father. That means a transitive verb is not followed by a preposition. A transitive verb is not followed by a preposition. So we had to omit with. One more example. He regrets at the mistake. He regrets at the mistake. How you correct it? He regrets the mistake. How we can understand whether it is a transitive verb? When we ask whom or what to the verb, you will get an answer from it. If you get an answer, that is a transitive verb. ഒരു ട്രാൻസിറ്റീവ് വെർബിന് ശേഷം പ്രിപ്പോസിഷൻ്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ല. ട്രാൻസിറ്റീവ് വെർബ് എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ വെർബിനോട് ആരെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തിനെ എന്ന് പറയുന്നതിനെയാണ് ട്രാൻസിറ്റീവ് വെർബ് എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത്. ഒരു ട്രാൻസിറ്റീവ് വെർബിന് ശേഷം അറ്റോ വിത്തോ എബൌട്ടോ അക്രോസോ അങ്ങനെയുള്ള പ്രിപ്പോസിഷൻസ് ഒന്നും നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കേണ്ട ആവശ്യം ഇല്ല. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കോമൺലി കമ്മിറ്റഡ് ബൈ ദ പീപ്പിൾ. That is committed by the people who are of the higher strata or on the apex. The next rule is that John is taller than me. It is an incorrect sentence. John is taller than I is the correct usage. Thanന് ശേഷം I am understood ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ I ചേർക്കുക. One more example I shall give. King Solomon is wiser than I. King Solomon is wiser than I is correct. Normally the question is being asked, King Solomon is wiser than me. You have to change to I. I shall give a snippet, a small story to remember it. Ours is a big universe. In every second, many people are reaching the hell. When we reach the hell, Emma is in charge of it. Emma asks, "Who are you?" "It is me." Then Emma said, "He must be taken to the remote part of the hell where there is filth." In another second, another man came. He also said, "It is me. He must also be taken to the same area." Emma said. A third person came. Emma asked. He knocked at the door. Emma asked, "Who are you?" "It is I." Emma said, "Probably he must be a grammarian or a college professor, so he must be given a good place in the hell." This is being committed. This mistake is commonly committed by people when we are conversing in telephone too. When we are being asked, we will say, "It is me." It is wrong. It is I is the correct usage. Next one. 40 miles are a good distance. Incorrect sentence. 40 miles is considered as a singular unit. Therefore, a singular verb is necessary. 40 miles is a good distance. 40 miles is a good distance. 10 rupees were paid to them. 10 rupees were paid to them. That is also incorrect. 10 rupees was paid to them. Because 10 rupees is a singular unit. അത് സിംഗുലർ യൂണിറ്റ് ആണ്. ഇപ്പം സിംഗുലർ വെർബായ ഈസ്, വാസ്, ഹാസ് അങ്ങനെയുള്ളതാണ് നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കേണ്ടത്. One of my brothers are missing. One of my brothers are missing. Incorrect. One of my brothers is missing. Why? One of must be followed by a plural noun. Up to that it is correct. One of my brothers. One is the real subject in that sentence. Therefore, verb is singular. Verb is singular. One of my brothers is missing. One more example. One of my friends have gone to Chennai. That is also incorrect. One of my friends has gone to Chennai. One is the subject, therefore a singular verb is used. That is why has is used. Okay. Next one. Minnie as well as her brothers have gone to Delhi. Minnie as well as her brothers have gone to Delhi. That is an incorrect sentence. Why? In this sentence there are two subjects, isn't it? Minnie and brothers. But the real subject is Minnie. When we use as well as, we have to use according to the first subject. When we use as well as, we have to use according to the first subject. The first subject is Minnie. Minnie is singular. Therefore, a singular verb is necessary. Therefore, Minnie as well as her brothers has gone to Delhi is the correct answer. One more. King as well as the courtiers are attending the ball. Here ball means, what do you mean by ball? Not circular object. Here ball means dance. A big dance is called a ball. King as well as the courtiers are attending the ball. Here the real subject is king. King is singular. Therefore a singular verb is necessary. If you use and, you can use plural verb. I want to ask a question to my colleagues. Just say, very simple, the opposite of king. That you must comment in the next class. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു എങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ അറിയിക്കുക. റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ള ആ ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ അമർത്തുക. വിഷ് യു ഗുഡ് ലക്ക്. ഗോഡ് ബ്ലസ് യു. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.